welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video so far, but now it's time to take a little bit of a deeper dive into the spec of this gorgeous custom steering wheel. So what our client was after was a very different cosmetic look inside this vehicle. Wanted in essence, the steering wheel just looked very dated and it really ruined kind of the interior. This car actually looks very, very modern inside with the gloss black piano bits. It looks phenomenal here and it's a lovely place to be. However, the steering wheel just really let it down. So what this client has gone for is a fully custom wheel. So I want to go through a little bit of the details that you can go to when speccing a wheel, and this was all done via our website. So you can go onto our website. We do them for BMW, Audi, Lambo, Ferrari. We do loads of different brands, and in essence you can select your car online and you can go through and configure the wheel exactly how you want. We will then call you once you submit that form just to go through some of the things you might have missed or options available that aren't on that website. But overall, phenomenal look here. So couple of things that you've got is the carbon paddles. So this is actually a replacement of the original wheel. So we removed the original wheel and we've got the carbon flappy paddles now. These are really, really nice. They're very, very responsive and look really cool as well. And they're actually elongated, so they look really smart. And you've got plus and minus on there as well. Then over to the 3 and 9 o'clock here, what you've got here is an Alcantara finish with black and then with the red stitching to match with the Audi kind of interior and bits and pieces. You've then also got that black Alcantara flowing through into the center airbag cover. This is a new airbag cover with the red stitching again. We've then got the S-Line badge down at the bottom. We've got carbon fiber at the 12 and 6 o'clock. And we've also got the red center stripe, which looks absolutely phenomenal. There's so many different variants on this wheel that you can choose different types of carbon. You can also have different types of different color Alcantara, different stitching, different emblem down at the bottom. So many different things, and it actually retains the original controls for the buttons. So they are the original ones that work with the entertainment system. But overall, it's just such a nicer feel in here. The way it grips round, and then you've got access to the flappies as well as them being a little bit bigger, just a little bit easier to use. But overall, it just looks absolutely phenomenal. It feels a little bit thicker than the factory one, but it's the way it contours around your hand here. It just sits so nicely, and it just, I've had custom steering wheels on many cars, and when you have it, it just literally revolutionizes your driving and kind of the style that you drive in. It just feels so nice in here. It's so much more luxurious, basically, just sat in here. So overall, really happy with the final results. The install's all been carried out from our workshop facilities here in Cambridge, so it's all been done professionally, neatly and tidily and safely as well. Especially when you're messing around with steering wheels, you need to make sure that install is done properly and inch perfectly. But overall, a really nice, fantastic solution for this Audi. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it and also seen this gorgeous custom steering wheel, and make sure you stay tuned on other platforms that we're on, TikTok, Instagram, you name it, we're absolutely everywhere. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.